Earning as a student is difficult but not impossible. This is not a normal video. It is $1 million money making video for students just like you. Stay till the end to know what to do, how to do, and these all are from my own experiences. I'm Akinjan, a self-taught UI UX and a freelancer, working in this industry for the past 6 years. In this channel, I help students just like you to solve the money problems as a student, so that you can start earning money right from your student life. Today I'm going to share with you my 3 real ways to earn money that I'm currently using and my friends who are doing the same. So I want you to pick at least one of these and try it for 1 full month. I want you to comment I will, then return after a month and reply I did it. And subscribe the channel if you want to grow as a student. Coming to the first side hustle, web designing and development. If you already know, maximum of the offline businesses are coming online to show their online presence. And the first step for business to get online is through websites and social platforms. And here is our opportunity to get their business online. For that, you need to learn web design and development. So you might be thinking, how can I learn web design and development in just 30 days? Don't worry, I have made a detailed roadmap of how to learn web design and development in just 30 days. In these 30 days, you will master the design fundamentals along with Figma, and also you will be making multiple projects along with your portfolio, and you will be using AI, and also you will learn no-code softwares like Webflow and Framer in these 30 days. And lastly, you will be using AI for making your portfolio and to get your first client. And that's how you'll make your income as a student. Apart from that, if you're just interested in learning design, I want you to focus on UI UX. It is the same reason as I have mentioned before, that maximum of the offline businesses are coming in online and they need your help. For that, I have provided a detailed roadmap to master UI UX in just 30 days. I have given detailed information of UI UX in this video, like how to do, what to do, and how to implement AI in your designs. With that, I guarantee you, you will be suitable for UI UX jobs. You can start applying for jobs in these 30 days. And if you are still here, please like this video and subscribe the channel. If you are like me, who don't like jobs or who you want to work at your own pace, then you can start freelancing. Freelancing for me is a business where you have to work day and night to get to that level. But many freelancers earn very less, sometimes zero, because they don't have a real world experience of freelancing. And the YouTubers who make content on freelancing, I doubt even they have proper knowledge of freelancing. Look, freelancing is really easy. You just need to know some secrets, and these secrets are given in my channel. I have made a detailed video on freelancing, you can watch this here. In this video, I have talked about the secrets of freelancing where these online gurus, they never share it with you. And I want to give you a bonus tip of how to get your first client. You can watch this video to get your first client, and it's really easy.